Okay, now that we can run Java programs on our computer, we need a code editor, also known as IDE, which stands for Integrated Development Environment. So that's a program that allows you to write code in an easier way. It has shortcuts, it has tips, it warns you of any errors, it has a built debugging option, and so on. So that's an integrated development environment. It helps you write better code. You can also use Notepad, but that doesn't make sense because it doesn't help you write code better. So you want to visit this page, go to this link, Eclipse IDE for Java developers, and choose your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I'll just download this file. And now just click download. And OK. And now you just wait for it to download. Okay, great. Once you have downloaded Eclipse, open the RAR folder, and the next thing you want to do is extract it. So go to extract to, and I will extract it to d/Eclipse and click OK. And now we wait for the extraction. And you can choose anywhere you want, but I like to have it on my D disk. And that's it. We have installed Eclipse on our computer, and now we need to set it up a bit. So you want to go in your extraction folder, and I have extracted here, so local disk D, Eclipse, and you can just click on this icon and it will open Eclipse. So installation part is pretty easy. So click on Eclipse. And now you want to choose your workspace. That is a folder where your code is saved. So I've already created one, Java course workspace, but you can create any folder and name it anything you like and just click launch. And now any code you write will be saved inside that folder. And once you have done that, this screen should appear. And now I will walk you through Eclipse, tell you some useful shortcuts, and show you everything you need to know on how to create Java projects in Eclipse. Okay, we are now in the official Eclipse landing zone. After you exit the welcome tab, you should always have this screen here. And the first thing I want to show you is a simple shortcut that you need to remove. So you go to Window, Preferences, Keys, and you want to remove skip all breakpoints. So you click it and you go unbind command. This will help you a lot. And that's pretty much it for now. The first thing you want to do when you want to program in Java is to create a Java project. So as you can see here, you can click this, or you can go to File, New, and then choose Java project. And you name it anything you want. Testing Java projects for me. And you want to use a project specific JRE, and this is the one we installed. We've installed Java Development Kit 14, and it includes this JRE that you need. So you want to choose that and then click Next and wait. And then you want to remove Create Module Info because this will create some problems for you. We don't need to worry about that. And then click Finish. And now your project has been created. Later on in this course, I will go over how Java projects are composed, but for now it doesn't matter because we just want to get to know this IDE. And the next thing you want to do is create your class. Again, don't worry about that, I will explain it later. So you create your class, you can call it anything you want, testing. You need to also declare a package, and I know this can be a bit overwhelming in the beginning, but it's usual and basic stuff in Java, which I will explain later, so you don't need to worry about that now. Testing again, and let's include this and click finish. And I know this looks a bit confusing for now because Java is designed to create large enterprise applications. So these packages and classes all help you in that, but it can be a little bit overwhelming for beginners. So again, I must say, don't worry about anything. We just want to get to know this code editor, this Eclipse. And later in the course, I will explain everything you need to know about Java and creating projects and packages and that stuff. And now you have your Java program that does basically nothing, but the point is to get to know Eclipse. And in here, you run your program. So you click run and it runs. As you can see, it's terminated, so it's finished, but it does nothing. This is your console. Your errors will appear here once you have an error, like, I don't know, you delete this, we save and run, and you see blah blah something something. When you actually print something or do something, it will appear here. So that's pretty much it for now. I will show you the other features later, like debugging and all that useful stuff, but for now these are the usuals. So this is how you create a Java project, this is how you create a class, and this is where you run the program. Everything else will be explained later.